All right, so my old app is not working, so I'm doing this. Normally I don't do anything on the word problems because you should use what you learned in class. But I saw that number one was a little difficult, so I am going to help you with number one and just talk to you a little bit about number three. So number one says Tia cut a 4 meter 8 centimeter wire into 10 equal pieces. Marta cut 540 centimeter wire into 9 equal pieces. How much longer is one of Marta's wire than one of Tia's? So it says that Marta has a longer wire. So when I draw, I'm going to make sure that my Marta is longer. So first off, I'm going to draw 4 meters. And here's why I'm not keen on this one, because I can't copy and paste it. I'm going to draw 4 meters. This is representing Tia. And then it says 8 centimeters. So I'm just going to represent 8 centimeters with 8 little boxes. Okay, so if this is 1 meter, you should know that 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Centimeters, 100. So we have 100 centimeters here. We have this is our 8 centimeters. So in total, how many centimeters do we have? And once you get that, you're going to divide this second one into the 10 equal pieces. Now you might be saying, but Mr. Valdemar, how are we going to know how much it is? Well, if you decide to, not if you decide, you can show this by showing 10 equal pieces. Well, truthfully, something that I would have done maybe is to put 10 equal pieces in each one of the 4. Then I know that each piece would be 10 pieces, 10 centimeters each. That's a little bit farther. I don't want to go into that right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my best to cut this into fifths first. And then I'm going to cut the fifths into half of that. So I have 10 equal pieces. I'm trying to do it as equal as possible. So you're right if you understand that that's division. So whatever you get up here, you're going to divide by 10. Now, it's a little bit easier when we get to Marta's, because Marta already tells us that we have 540 centimeters. So this is 540 centimeters. And this time, we're going to cut it into 9s. I'm going to cut it into thirds first, and cut each piece into thirds. So I'm going to have 9. So cutting into different pieces, that should tell you that we're doing the same thing. And once you figure out what you have, then you need to compare. So how much longer? Once you have that, so we have Marta's. What are we going to divide that by? It's already there, so you just have to find your answers to both of those. Okay, so I'm not going to give you the answer. I just showed you some things to draw to help you understand it a little bit better. I hope that helped. And after you get those two answers, your blue answer for Tia and your purple answer, as I'll call it, you're going to see how much longer Martha's wire than one of Tia's. Should figure out what that is. All right, here we have string A is 35 centimeters long. String B is 5 times as long as string A. This is similar to what we did in class. I would look to question 3. So question 3 in the concept board. So we have a string A. Sorry. We have an A string and a B string. And here it says 5 times. As long as A string. Okay? So our B string is 5 times this string A. So I'm not going to draw it for you, but you should see that there's 2 different strings, string A and string B. Both are necessary to create a decorative bottle. Find the total length of string needed for 17. Now, total normally you would think that it means adding, but because we have 17, it means something a little different, but it's still in the addition family, not the subtraction family. So we're not subtracting after. We have a total, so we know we're going to get larger. You're going to express your answers in meters, so we have to take another step after that. So we have centimeters, and we have to change them into meters. So 35 centimeters, and we have to say how many meters. That's something that we've done in class. I would look at the page, lesson 14. Look at our 17 or centimeters into meters to get your answer or to figure out how to figure that part out. I'm looking real quick to see if there's a question that will help you from the homework. Centimeters to meter on page, well, I don't have that page number, but for the homework, it was page, the lesson 14, C, 1C. Lesson 14, 1C, changes 760 centimeters into meters. You don't need that big of a number, but it will help you. Let's see on the next page. Now they're using big numbers, but you only need 72. Whatever you did, steps you did to change it into meters, you're going to do the same thing for this. You can wait at the very end and do it, or you can do it right away. So again, question 3 in the homework, in the problem set, can help you with this one, and also lesson 14 1C can help you as well. I'm not going to give you any much more help than that because I really want you to stretch your brain. I'm going to give you the bonus word though for checking in anyway. Bonus word is watch.